Okay, quick look at a lock here. Looks like it's been forced somehow and they've had something on there, or you can see the marks there. I'm not sure how they've done it, but what they've done is they've made their way in. As you can see, the lock is, it's not, how do you say, it's completely messed up inside, so it's got a lot of travel. It's probably going to open the latch at any stage now, and the actual handle itself has come off, so now the lock can be defeated in a second. So we'll just grab a screwdriver. Just grab a screwdriver and have a look. Looks like even that's messed up as well. So being in the locked position, it should have opened, but by forcing it, it's really messed it up a fair bit. Try a little bit of shim here just to get this door open. That's not doing it. Go back to our screwdriver. So this was an attempt to break in, I would say. Somebody tried to break in. Looks like it doesn't want to open very easily now that it's been forced and messed up. Possibly the latch is gone as well, so we're going to have to drill this open now. Okay, so I'll pull this part off first. There you go. Now we've got our screw footprint. Let's drill it out. Okay, let's drill this open. That'll do. Because it's so messed up, we don't have a choice. So let's just get it off the door. We off? We're not off. Whoa, that got exciting. Okay, so look at our latch condition. Look at that. That is a mess. Try the easy way first. There we go. So this is CCTV room. Should be the lift room, but it's not. There's a good lock there. It's probably from another door or whatever. Alright. Fix it up. So that's a lift controller there. CCTV, very important room. So here we are here. We want to reuse this one. Just have a look here. Looks like a back set. Somebody's jammed rubbish in there too. So let's see how we go. This is going to be a 70mm back set. We might have to get a smaller latch. No. We're right on the money. It's a 70mm back set. Look at that. I'm going to be putting on a knob set because they're going to be harder to try and break next time. So the frame's good, it's good. Door closes disconnected. We'll fix that up at the end. Okay, keys. Where's our spike tool? Looks like they dudded us on a spike tool. Okay. That's okay, I should have something here. Not a pick. Okay, here's the trick. Got to turn, got to push, and got to pull. Missed it. Missed it. Other way. Got it. Right, so we want that in as much as possible. Our screws. Make sure that it goes on there properly. Looks like the right size hole. There we go. For a minute there I thought we might have to re-drill the cylinder hole. That would have been annoying. Okay, so little spring. We will clip on this indent on here, push it on, push it down. Using our spike tool, which we didn't get in this box, just going to push that in. Going to flick that out a little bit. We're good on that side. Okay. Old cylinder. New cylinder. I need the tail piece, so I'm just going to pull it off. Old tail piece we don't need. I can see a bit of corrosion there too, so maybe that's just from leftover from the building, I'd say. Still a new cylinder, so we'll use that elsewhere. Doesn't want to screw on too nicely, so I'll use the designated cap for it. Right, let's put the cylinder elsewhere. Now because it's not a lever, if it was a lever, this tail would be going top to bottom. Because it's going to be a knob, we go left to right. So what I do is the pin is here, so I hold it, so this pushes it down. I hold it till it's tight, then I turn it about a notch back, and then I turn my tailpiece back until it clicks in. Now we will pick the lock so we can put it back together. Lock is picked. Now we want the spinner on. Now these can be a bit of work. Actually, I won't reset it. This can be a bit of work to get on, especially with everything else on the door and the access to the pinhole. See how we go, eh? Okay. Our hole is somewhere about here. It's always easier to do it when it's off the door. Should have done it first. Anyway. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, check it's on. Come on. Tap. Looks like it's locked in. Big pull. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's on. it's locking in nicely, everything's okay. Let's test. Okay, door closes good, inside handle's good, outside's good. Okay, let's test it. Okay, that's all good. Test it with a key, which we don't have. It's good. Got to turn the light off in there. Yep. There we go. Big pull, that knob's not coming off. We are done.